Hi folks, Rusty here with Creative Home Closing, and we're talking about water softener maintenance. So when the tenants moved out of this place, I came to check, of course, on all the systems, and it appeared that they had not been putting salt into the water softener. So of course, we've got the water softener itself, and there's a filter back there, the carbon filter to take the chlorine out, other things, and the salt tank. And so when I got in here and saw that there was water in here and no salt, realized that they hadn't been maintaining the upkeep on the water softener. Also, there was a little bit of an odor coming from this thing. So looked at a number of videos that talked about water softener maintenance, and a lot of them talked about just cleaning out the tank itself, emptying the salt, emptying the water, and then cleaning it out, bleach, what have you. Well, I found another YouTube channel that specifically talked about water softener maintenance and said that annually you should be putting iron out mixed into some water, and you put it directly into the brine tank here, as opposed to worrying about the salt container itself, specifically in the brine tank. And I had no idea this was the first I had heard. The brine, of course, as it turns out, is what is attracting all of the heavy particulates to keep from coating the inside of your pipes. And the salt is then supposed to cleanse the brine whenever the regen cycles happen. And over time, there's enough contamination, if you will, in the brine that the salt is not able to clean it effectively. And so therefore, that's when the iron out comes into play. So, because I believe that salt hasn't been in this tank in a while, I think that that's kind of what's got to be going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour that into the brine tank, and then we'll run the regen cycle. So we've got it pre-mixed, the iron out into the water, and I'll go ahead and pour it into the brine area here. And on this model, we press and hold the regen button for 5 seconds in order to initiate the regen cycle. As you can hear, it's now ready. If you have any additional information that you'd like to add, go ahead and please leave them in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe if you found this helpful at all. Thank you so much.